All right, today's video is for you couples who are struggling trying to rebuild the trust. I have a very uncomfortable truth for you, and that's what you got to come to expect from me as a coach. I'm not here to tell you what you want to hear. I'm here to tell you what's required if you want to rebuild trust, because here's what it is, and if you're ready for it, here it is. The unfaithful must earn the trust, must do what's required to earn the trust, meaning making substantial changes consistently with repetition to effectively change, rewiring your subconscious mind and regulating your nervous system and training your nervous system daily, regularly, in moments of calm and in moments of stress to then become that person. Changing your lifestyle, changing your behaviors, being aware of your patterns, and recreating new behaviors done consistently over time create new habits, create a new identity, doing all of the work that's required to earn the betrayed spouse's trust. And on the other hand, there's the betrayed learning to trust. And that's not talked about a lot when it comes to infidelity recovery in couples, because the betrayed says, I didn't do anything wrong. Why do I have to do any work? You're the one who did this, so you have to do everything to earn my trust back. You have to talk to me. You have to be transparent with me. You have to show me where you go. You have to tell me what you do. You have to be perfect, pretty much. Perfect. Because what happens when they have a day where they're not talking? Maybe they're going through something and they're not communicating like they usually do. Then you go, see, they're going back to their old ways. You haven't changed. And then all of the effort, all of the action, all of the progress, right back down to square one. And so for the betrayed, you are required to learn to trust. And that means you as well training your nervous system, you as well rewiring your subconscious mind. Because realize, after you are betrayed, and I'm not just telling you this from something I just grabbed out of the air, I've been in your shoes multiple times. I know exactly what it's like. And so when you're betrayed, there are certain thoughts and feelings that run on repeats daily. When your betrayed spouse does something, says something, doesn't do something, doesn't say something, there is a message that comes in. Your nervous system, it activates and triggers you, and you feel triggered because there are certain thoughts and feelings going on the inside that it doesn't matter what your betrayed spouse does, they're going to show up anyway. So your betrayed or your unfaithful spouse could be doing everything right. But if you do not learn to trust them by training your nervous system and your subconscious mind with intention, with action, with repetition, then you will not train your brain and body, because deep down inside, you want to love, you want to trust, you want to forgive, you want to do those things, but your body does not want you to, and your body wins. Because your body has built a system inside of you that's running on repeat. And if you do not train that system, then that system is going to continue to be trained to not trust, to not feel safe, to protect yourself, to do nothing, to learn to trust, because it's too scary, because you don't want to be vulnerable. If I start trusting them, they're going to think that everything's okay. I forgive them. They get back to their old ways. That's not the way it works. Yeah, it's scary, right? Because you're like, well, what? If I do that, then no, that's just it. That's the training. That's what I'm talking about. You being able to train your brain and body to feel safe, to trust. Yes, the unfaithful is to do everything required to earn the trust, but the betrayed, if you both really want to do it, you're talking about staying together, saving your marriage, keeping your family together. That's the most important thing. You got to do the work. Michael J. Fitz, I know you may not like it, but this is what's going on here. I work with couples all over the world. There's a reason why so many couples have experienced positive results in my coaching program. It's because Me personally, I've been through infidelity on both sides and have made those changes, have done that work, and know exactly what it is, what it's going to take, as well as I have created systems with actions for you to complete to make those changes to get results. And so, if you're interested in working with me, be sure that you want to work with me, because I'm not going to take it easy on you. And by that, I'm going to hold the both of you accountable and expect you to follow a coaching system, a program to effectively change so you guys can get what you want. That's all I'm here to do. I included the information below to book a consultation with me if that's what you'd like to do. I got to get to a session right now with a student, and I hope this video helps. See you in the next one.